One of the cause of the noise are from this bracket back here. It is held on by two 10mm bolt. Sometimes it'll rattle back here, and in this, what you can actually hear from inside the cabin. And so what you can do is you can remove these two bolts and put a felt lining back there, like a pad. This is a EPT Sealer that Honda sells, but however, you do not need to buy this one. You can just go to your Home Depot store and buy a like an insulator pad, basically the same thing, and go ahead and remove it, cut it into size, and then put it back there so that you're actually putting some kind of padding so they can absorb any vibration noises. Okay, here's a piece I cut that I'm gonna put it back there. I'm just gonna peel back the liner and put it back and place this on this firewall back here. Okay, I placed it on the firewall back here. Now I'm gonna screw this back on. Okay, that's done. All right, next is, if you're hearing noises from your strut, go ahead and remove this rubber cover. And you see the bolt that's in here, the nut right here, that's where you need to turn to tighten it. I'll have in the description how many foot-pounds that needs to be torqued down to. But what you're first gonna do is you're gonna stick a Allen key right here, down in here, get a open-ended offset wrench, and then put it in there and then torque it down to the correct torque. After you're done, go ahead and put the cover back on. Now for the interior, this is the part that you need to fix. On your passenger side, on this panel down here, this is where the noise is coming from down here. Okay, so go ahead and grab this bottom and then pull out. And then it pulls out here, and then same thing for right here. Grab it and pull out. Okay, this is as far as it's gonna go, so don't pull it more than this. That's down here. Go ahead and you need to push it that way, outwards, and it'll come out. Another one that's up here as well. Go ahead and take these out. Now these are what's making the noise, and what you can do is go and wrap the same foam padding around this and then install it back. I'm gonna pull this out again and feel for the holder that this goes into, which is back here, and slide it in that way. Okay, and for the top up here as well. And then push it back into the slot. Now you won't hear the noise from this. Okay, the last place is up here. You'll start hearing noise from up here. So what you need to do is get a pry tool and wedge it down here, and you can pop this out. Now turn it around, and you see there's this black clips right here that does not have this white tab. Go ahead and put that foam around all three of this on this side and all three of them on this side, and then put it back in and the noise will be gone. To reinstall this, you see those four little tabs on the top that has to slide in there first. So slide those in to those corresponding slots back there. Okay, once that side is in, go ahead and push them down to the slot. Make sure you push them all the way down. Okay, those are the places that you need to check, and go ahead and add some kind of foam padding to get rid of any rattling noise that you hear. Sometimes you'll hear it from up here, sometimes you think that it's coming from up here. But again, any plastic piece, the noise travels. So sometimes you might think that it's coming from here, but in actually reality, the part that's actually making the noise might be from down here or from up here, or also even in the firewall, that little metal piece that I showed you that I added the foam padding to. So go ahead and add the foam pieces to the places that I showed you, and it should get rid of any rattling noises that you hear on your 9-channel cord. If you're still experiencing the noise after you did all this, next thing I will check is make sure you don't have anything in your glove box in here, because all the stuff that's in here can make rattling noise as well. Also the sun visor, make sure your sunglasses is not rattling up here as well. And make sure you don't have any coins or pennies or pens stuck in down here on the sidewalls or something. Because again, the noise will travel anything inside the vehicle. So those are the things I will check. But hopefully this solves your problem. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.